Is the Conqueror Virtual Challenge legit? 10 things to know and understand. When people sign up for the Conqueror Virtual Challenge, they want to know if it is legit. Some want to know if they lose money or if a virtual challenge gives you a real medal and award. I have done several Conqueror Virtual Challenges. The Conqueror Virtual Challenge is 100% legit. Upon completing a challenge, you will receive a medal for acknowledging that you have completed the challenge. You can also pay extra to get a t-shirt or purchase merchandise. Even though this challenge is 100% virtual, it is a great way to virtually experience other parts of the world. As with any kind of virtual challenge, there are a few things that you should understand. Here are 10 things to know and understand about the Conqueror Virtual Challenge. 1. When you pay your money, you get full access to the Conqueror Virtual Challenge app. A virtual challenge is a paid program, similar to signing up for a local community race. You need to pay the total amount for the program, and then you will get access to their system. If you want to do the challenge, you need to pay at least the minimum fee to get access to record your mileage into their system. 2. The Conqueror Virtual Challenge is based on the honor system. I like to go into the Conqueror Virtual Challenge system each day after exercising to record my mileage manually. I enjoy seeing how far I have come on my challenge. Inputting the data into their system is based on the honor system. How, when, and where you input it is entirely up to you. 3. You are responsible for putting in your own data into the Conqueror Virtual Challenge app. You are also responsible for putting all your data into their system. A friend and I are on a team. She collects all of her data and then puts it in at once. I like to record mine every day and then put it in daily. Others have it automatically recorded from a fitness app. 4. You can always add more time to your Conqueror Virtual Challenge. When you start on a challenge, they will ask you how long you think it will take you. This is not like a race where you only have so much time. With the Conqueror Virtual Challenge, you can easily add more time to complete the challenge if necessary. 5. You will virtually travel to places worldwide. The challenge has allowed me to travel virtually to these parts of the world. The Conqueror Virtual Challenge will send me postcards at specific travel points and tell me a little about where I just passed through or what I see. 6. You can make a team, join a group or do your own challenge. You can join the Virtual Conqueror Challenge on your own, make the team, or join a group or do your own challenge. The program is flexible in deciding what you want to do and how you want to do it. A friend and I have our own team. Because we can see who is ahead or behind, we have a bit of friendly competition going. For me, this is a great motivator. 7. The Conqueror Virtual Challenge is a great fitness motivator. I found the Conqueror Virtual Challenges to be a great motivator for my fitness goals. There are many times when I think I do not want to get up to exercise, but then I think about how I need to get up because I need to be able to add some miles to the challenge. It helps to motivate me. I have my medals hanging on my bedroom wall so I can look at them every day and remind myself to get up and try to collect some more medals. For me, this kind of focus helps to motivate me in my exercise goals. 8. A great way to see and learn about other places. One of my favorite things about the Conqueror Virtual Challenge is that there is a street view on most of their challenges. On this street view, you can see where you are and your surroundings. 9. Your Conqueror Virtual Challenge medal is sent promptly. When you complete a medal, it is sent to you promptly. I live in Hanoi, Vietnam, so I was a bit worried about whether I would actually get my medal. I am pleased to announce that my medal arrived relatively timely through the Vietnamese post. 10. The Conqueror Virtual Challenge is just plain fun. The Conqueror Virtual Challenge is just plain fun. It is a great way to motivate yourself and fun to tell people that you virtually swam the English Channel or biked through England and Scotland. Some people may feel it is not legit or a challenge because it is all virtual. That is further from the truth. Whether you do the miles in the USA or Germany, you are doing the same amount of miles as if you completed the same route in person. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. We would love to have you be part of our community. Sign up for our newsletter to keep up to date by visiting our website www.abusonadastyroad.com. To know more about us, check our social media below.